If you're going to Hoi An, Vietnam, don't skip this. This is Hoi An Memories Show, one of the world's largest outdoor real-life performance stage. The show talks about the 400 years history of Hoi An, and over 500 performers bring the history of Hoi An to life. We booked this on Klook, dinner included, and you can use my Klook code JONICAKLOOK to get a discount. Most tourists go here at night since the main show is at 8 p.m. But starting 5 p.m. they have small shows which you shouldn't miss. I'll show you small clips of what we've seen, so you need to come here early to make the most of your ticket. Make sure you have extra day in Hoi An separate to do the river lantern activity. We booked Grab from our hotel and travel was around 12 minutes. Again guys, use my Klook code JONICAKLOOK and enjoy the video.
Tự xưng nó có xoay chuyển ca khúc thì giỏi cái này hài với bố
Oh no, chi cho một buổi tiệc tiền. Dạ rồi được.
Yung kanya tayong lantern. Tela pa na sa?
5 years from now, I'll be attending Fashion Week and
Pati patay man tatanan. Spaghetti bolognese. Then filet lemon butter cheese, fried chicken wings with fish sauce, grilled pork rib. Nagwa ko.
wala spoon, wala fork.
Echo.
We hope you enjoy the show.